Okay, so good morning. Uh, Next topic nato na i-discuss is all about it's under on the programming paradigm. Uh, Here, we are going to discuss the different programming languages. So, para natin idea or what are those different programming languages. So, by the way, we have a lot of programming languages, but mostly pinaka-common na programming languages are the one that I put here on our lessons, like the Python, the Java, Ruby on Rails, HTML, JavaScript, C language, C++, C Sharp, Object-C, PHP, SQL, Swift, and mayroon pa madami pa mga programming languages na that was not included. Pero ito yung mga, kumbaga, pinaka-common programming languages that used by the programmers to create a program. So we'll proceed now to your questions regarding on the programming languages. Okay. So the first question here is from John C. Sarsway Baguio. So the question is, which is easiest programming languages among all the programming languages? So a lot of programming languages mentioned, pero ang iyang question is, unsa daw ang pinakasayon? Which easiest way? So who can answer that from the group?
Python, sir.
Okay, for you, Asylum is Python. How about Eliza? Sir?
Java. Sure.
Java. Okay, good. So, natay Pythonist diri, natay Java. How about si Jan? Ang sa'yo mo dyan?
Siguro po Python, sir.
Python o duha ang Python. Okay, so, by the way guys, when we talk about programming languages, mingon tag easiest way, it depends kasi with the programmer. Kasi kung ang programmer is ganito yung ginagamit niya na programming languages every day, then mo yung pinaka-easiest way. Like for me, if this is the question and i-ask niya sa ako, what are the easiest programming languages? So I answer C Sharp because C Sharp, pinaka ano ko na ako na C Sharp, pinakadali and also the basic. Or are you familiar with the Visual Basic? Familiar kayo ng Visual Basic?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so yun ang pinaka ano ko, ang pinaka mas ano ko na language then C Sharp, then PHP, and also Java. Pero pinaka sayunan ako is the C Sharp. So it's depend, ang question na to, it's depend with the programmer. But most of the programming languages, kung bisag lisod na siya, pero kung may ginagamit na para sa programmer, that's the easiest programming languages. Okay, so we'll proceed to the second question. Second question, what is the hardest programming language to learn among them? Okay, unsa da pinaka hardest language? So, kaya si Eliza, no? Wala.
Java ako, sir.
Okay, Java. How about you, Jan?
C-sharp guro, sir.
C Sharp. Okay, so that question, guys, depende pa rin yan sa programmer. It depends with the programmer. So, for me, mayroon ko, pinakalisdan ako ng programming languages. Yung old na mga programming languages like, anong tawag doon? Yung sa machine language, anong tawag doon na programming languages? Yung pinaka-old talaga na mga programming languages. So, medyo mahirapan ako doon. Pero, the other programming languages, dali lang. Pero depende yan kasi sa programmer. For a while guys, meron lang akong sagutin na tawag. Hello sir. Yes, may bantag sir. Tawagan na siguro na. Tawagan. Ay naman, tawag dito sa kuan. Asa man tuan? Sige, may taan lang pagi ng hang. Kada na ha. Sige. Okay. Okay. Good morning, Will Jean. So, how about you, Alessa? Unsay may hardest or hardest programming languages na para sa imuha? Alaysa.
Ano, sir? PHP?
PHP. Okay.
Libog?
Malibog ka sa PHP. Okay. How about Wilgin? Hardest programming languages.
Sa ko ang mga nagamit sir para sa kuha sir tayo sa siguro si Java.
Oh, Java. So, here, ang question na to, this question is, it also depends with the programmer. So, actually, if you ask me, ang say pinalisdan ako, kato yung machine na programming languages. Itong karaan na programming. Mag-listen ko ato. But for mga new programming languages karon, medyo madali na lang. So, sika wala sa Eliza. Okay, so yun. So depende yan, it ups to the programmer kung unsa ang ilahang lisdan. Syempre, maglisod yun sila sa wala ginagamit. But if you are using these programming languages, dali lang na siya. So that's the answer for the question of Adrian. Okay. Next question is gikan kay Ivan. Ang question ni Ivan is, how can we use C#, Python, and Java in web development? Okay, so any idea kung pwede ba magamit ang C#, Python, and the other one, ano yung other one? The other one is the Java in web development. Pwede ba?
Wala, pagbilit mo sir.
For Jericho, dili daw. How about the other?
Pwede ko sir.
Okay, pwede siguro. Alaysa.
Sorry, ito sir, nawala ko.
Pwede ba daw ang kani narang question, how can we use C#, Python, and Java in web development? So, pwede ba ang C#, Python can be used in web development?
Isago sir or ano?
Gamitin yun siya as web development.
Pwede man ata sir?
Okay, pwede. How about the other? Kinsa pa to wala ka tubag? Si Wilgin. Pwede, Wilgin?
Ito sa sir, dili sure sir.
Dili. Okay, so the answer for that is all of these languages that mentioned, C#, Python, and Java, can be used in web development. Okay. So ganito kasi yan. If I am a programmer, guys, if I want to create a web and I am good in C#, then dili na ako magamit ng programming languages na lain para sa web development because C# can use in web development. So how to do that? So to do that is to use the ESP.NET. Familiar ba kayo ng ESP.NET? Familiar?
Wala sir.
Okay,
Wala, sir.
not really familiar. So when you talk about ESP.NET, that is the programming languages where you can use web development using the C# or using the Visual Basic. So kung magaling ka sa C#, then you can use the ESP.NET. So that is one of the platform natin na gamitin if you are using C#. So ang server naman ng gagamitin natin yan is the IIS. In PHP, we are using Apache. But sa C#, we can use, or the ASP.NET, we can use the IIS as a web server. So, pwede siya. Pwede ta mag-create o web application using the ASP.NET. Python also can be used sa web development. So, mayroong mga framework. There's a lot of framework that can be used sa Python. Ano pa yung mga framework niya for a while. we will see what are those framework. Because if you are good in Python development, pwede na hindi ka na maggamit ng other or like the PHP. So, focus ka na dun sa Python because yun na nakagawian mo. So, that's why Python, guys, can be pwede siya sa games, pwede siya sa web, and also pwede siya sa desktop. So, yung Python is pwede tayong gumawa ng web development or web application using the Python. So, one of the framework na pwede natin gamitin on the Python is the Django. So, pwede yan siya. Like the PHP, sa PHP, meron tayong tinatawag na Bootstrap na framework. Sa Python, meron naman framework na Django. So, but a lot of framework pa na pwede nating gamitin dun sa Python. But ang pinaka-common is the Django. And pwedeng CherryPy. So, actually, a lot of framework for the Python na for web development. Sa Java naman is pwede rin yung Java for the web development. So, kung mingon ta sa HTML na to, .html, then sa ASP.NET, .esp yung anong tawag dyan? Yung extension. Sa Java naman, ang extension naman niya is .gsp. So, you can use Eclipse. Familiar ba kayo ng Eclipse? Familiar?
Really, sir.
Okay. So, yung Eclipse, yun ang IDE niya where you can create yung codes. So, pakita ko lang yung icon ng Eclipse. Okay, ito. For a while. So, yan. Yung Eclipse natin, you can download Eclipse. Okay, ito yung icon ng Eclipse. You can download that one. Then, you can install. Then, you can now create desktop application. Yan, yung pang Java. Then, you can also use for web. So, in your case, you are using NetBeans ba yung ginagamit ninyo? NetBeans ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay, NetBeans. So, sa NetBeans din, you can also use dun sa NetBeans para pang web development. So, yung Java natin can be used on the web development. But, pinaka mas magandang is the Eclipse na platform. Okay.
Sir,
Java na ba yun? Java na ba yun ang mga gamit sa Eclipse, sir?
Yes?
Java na ba yun ang mga gamit sa Eclipse?
No, the other programming languages can be used on Eclipse. Like, if you are a PHP programmer, then you can also use the Eclipse na kaning IDE. I-ano muna natin si Adrian. So, kung kung PHP po ka, pwede po ka mag-Eclipse. Kung Android development, you can also use the Eclipse. So, yun, maganda rin yung Eclipse na anong tawag din, IDE. Pero ang lang niya, drawbacks niya is medyo mabigat yung yung loading. Medyo malakas kumain ng memory. So that's why in my web development, I always use the PHP kasi magaan lang. Unlike yung iba, medyo mabigat siya kasi may yung IDE, maglo-loading pa. Yung PHP kasi, parang bias ako parang bias ako because PHP, if you have notepad lang, wag na lang kay notepad, okay na. Pwede na ka makadevelop. But here sa Eclipse, medyo mabigat talaga siya kasi mag-loading pa yung IDE niya. The same with the other, like the C#, yung magamit pa tayo ng Visual Studio. Pamilya kayo ng Visual Studio? So, kung namoy development sa web using C# or ASP.NET, you are going to use this Visual Studio from Microsoft. So, you need to download that one. Ito. So, yun. For Python, Mayroon din yung Python, ito. You need to install yung Python. First, install this one. Then, after ma-install yung Python, marami ng IDE pa rin sa Python. Pero yung Python is medyo magaan siya compared to other programming languages. So, yan. So, that's the difference between those programming languages. Okay. So, asa na to? Ako
Sir.
Yes. Yes,
Screen share ka, sir.
Jericho.
Screen share.
Oh, wala niyo nakita ang kuhan screen
Hindi
ako
na makita, sir.
for a while, ha?
Wala sir.
Amin na makita nila, sir.
Okay, for a while. Okay. Sige daw. Okay, sige. Yan, kita na?
Okay na sir.
Okay.
Na, sir.
So, this one, ito yung mga available natin. Like, sabi ko, if you are into a Java development, you can use the Eclipse. Ito. Then, you can also use NetBeans. You can also use this Visual Studio for ESP.NET. And for the Python, you need to install this one. This Python for the Python development. Actually, yung Python is ang madali lang siya na programming languages. Parang ganito lang, print hello, I'm Python, then automatically may output na siya. So, very simple. So, yun. But for me, I am biased with the PHP. Kasi PHP na yung nakagawian ko yun. A lot of frameworks na pwedeng gamitin natin sa PHP. So, sa Python naman, meron tayong, I repeat, yung Django na framework. You can use the Django framework. For the PHP, we have the Bootstrap. So, a lot of framework also in Python. So, Python can be used on the web development. So, yan. C#, Python, and Java, pwede tayong gumawa ng application for the web. Or it can be used on the C#, Python, Java can be used on the web development. Okay, so that is the answer of the question ni Ivan. Okay na, Ivan? Nasa Ivan? Wala.
Na, sir.
Okay. Next question is, why we have many different programming languages? So, nga naman. So, diretso na ako answer. Why? Because we have a lot of developer. So, ganito yung Pinoy karon na nakabuhat ng programming languages. Familiar mo to? Katong Pinoy.
Tagalog, sir.
Oh, katong Tagalog. Oh, Pinoy web developer na language na yan. Kuan, sit pangalan to yang kuan? Yang programming languages?
Bato, sir. Bato.
Okay, Bato pala. Yon. So, why maraming programming languages? Because ang daming developer. So, yun. We have a lot of programming languages na hindi lang sumikat, pero available siya. So, kaya lang, ang sumikat is ito, yung nakalagay dito, ito yung mga sumikat. Kasi, ito yung mga nasuportahan with the different company, different institution. So, yung mga ibang programming languages, hindi lumabas dito kasi hindi sumikat or walang support from the different company. So, like Python. So, Python, supportado to sa mga game programming, web programming, Java also. So, yan, Ruby on Rails, web programming. So, HTML, lalo na itong HTML. So, that's why we have a lot of programming languages because of our developers. Ang daming developer na gumagawa ng programming languages. Okay. This one, last question in what area can we use Ruby on Rails? So, Ruby on Rails, Eliza, can be used on web development. So, it is said that Ruby on Rails is also very simple programming languages. It's like an English language. So usually Ruby on Rails is used on the web development. Kaya lang nakagawian natin, and for me also nakagawian ko is mas ano ako sa PHP. So that's why focused ako dun sa PHP. Hindi na ako nag-focus on the other languages. Although ASP.NET, I know ASP.NET, I can create web development using ASP.NET, but pinaka common kasi is the PHP. That's why I am using PHP. I am teaching PHP for the web development. So, yun, Eliza. Ang gamit ng Eliza, gamit ng Ruby on Rails is for the web development. So, common talaga siya sa web development. Okay? So, may question pa? Baka may question pa. Regarding on the different programming languages. So, these are the different programming languages, the very common programming languages, but ang dami pang programming languages na hindi nasali dito. So like ito, very common to sa atin, yung C. So sa una, sa IT, they start on the C programming languages. But in your case, ano nang na-start nyo na programming languages pag first year ninyo? C#, tama ba? C#, C++. Guys?
Yes, sir.
C++. After C++, nag-Java kayo. Java kayo. Nag-C# ba kayo? Hindi. I think meron kayong subject sa C#.
Katong
Sir.
second year.
Okay,
Second
sige.
year. sir.
Okay, nag-C# kayo. So, pero ang naturo na C# sa inyo is for the desktop development. Hindi kayo naturuan ng ESP.NET.
Python po, sir.
Okay, Python also. So, for desktop yung Python. So, yun. Kaya lang, in my case, Jude, I'm prepared on the PHP. Why? Because ang gaan pa, madali lang siya, at ang dali i-deploy. So that's why I am using PHP in the web development. And there's also a lot of framework. So may question pa regarding on the topic sa different programming languages? May question pa kayo dito? Wala na.
Ano, sir?
Wala na. Eliza, may question ka pa, Eliza?
Wala na, sir.